Oh my God. Game 3 of this championship series, and you'll see what the fan numbers are once we come back. This is the most nerve-wracking game of the LHL season, game number 40. You are watching LHL Network. Welcome to game 40 of the LHL season, game 3 of the championship series between the Saskatoon Blizzard and Kansas City Thunder. Now the numbers speak for themselves. You can see the stats from the past 3 games, but game 3 is different. 85% of the seats are covered by Kansas City fans at about 17,425, and only 15% of the seats, which is about 3,075, are packed by Saskatoon fans. So let's hope the 85% fans for Kansas City will bring a little bit of luck to the franchise after they blew a chance to sweep on Thursday. So I'm going to set up the lineup cards. And by the way, this is a situation related to the Saskatoon lineup card. That's right. Matt Tompkins is back in the net for Saskatoon after Jake Allen played 2 of the games. Matt Tompkins is back in goal. So now let's do the opening show. Why is it taking so long to execute the intro? I don't know what's happening, but oh, it took so long to scoreboard's turned off. It's never taken this long for an intro. There we go. All the way from Kansas City, the 6-2 best team in the league. The league breaking all the records in this LHL season. The team who's looking for their first ever championship. Give it up for the Kansas City Thunder. All from the freezing cold Saskatoon, the team that will practice and play in the snow and will put a blizzard on their opponent. The team that will be looking to make history and the lowest ranked team in the LHL playoffs to win a championship. Give it up for the Saskatoon Blizzard. So there you go, your LHL finals teams, the Saskatoon Blizzard and Kansas City Thunder. So, I don't think it has ever taken so long to do an introduction in a game. Now, as promised, Kansas City's wearing the red alternates, hence the scoreboard being red, and the Kansas City Thunder LED sign at the start being red. The championship for both teams is on the line. History for Saskatoon is on the line here. It's going to be a low-scoring game. Here's the draw underway. Thompson firing save, Rodor. Kovalchuk got it over to St. Louis. Now back to Kovalchuk. Makita firing save by Tompkins. His first time back in the net for a while. Agazino put it wide. Now Martin St. Louis got it. Gave it to Kovalchuk up to Stan Makita. Back to St. Louis. Makita firing went wide, and he flew offside. And they score off the draw. Andrew Agazino, and it's 1-0 Saskatoon for the second straight time. We're only 25 seconds in, and it's 1-0 Saskatoon Blizzard. Here's the face-off, and now this is back in. No, Megan gave it away to Agazino. He hit the pipe. Now Thompson got it. Can't get it. Rebound Agazino. Save for Brodeur again. Thompson up. This is going to be up to Wade Megan. Firing save Brodeur. Agazino's got it again. Save. Now this is Andrew Agazino. No, that was Thompson. This is Agazino. Save for Brodeur. Man, Saskatoon got all the offense. St. Louis firing save again for Matt Tompkins. Now he gets it up to Agazino. Firing save again for Martin Brodeur. 1 minute remaining in the period. 1 minute. Kovalchuk's got it. Kovalchuk firing. He put it wide. Now Agazino over to Thompson. Agazino falls over Thompson. No, he gave it over to Megan. He shot. Can't get it. Now this is St. Louis. Save again there. Kovalchuk in behind the net. Gave it to St. Louis. He shoots. It was blocked off by Megan. Now he carefully gave it up to Makita. Makita gave it away to Agazino. Save again for Martin Brodeur. Kovalchuk's got it. Kovalchuk got it over to Martin St. Louis. Fired it, went off the pipe. Rebound went wide. Still 1-0 Saskatoon. Agazino save again. And the net comes off with 17 seconds left. So finally we get a breather. Here's the draw. Kansas City looking to get back into it. Makita can't get it. Now this is going to be St. Louis. He's going to fire it at the pipe. Rebound, another post. He hit both posts on 2 shots. Agazino put it wide. Now Kovalchuk's going to have to shoot it. No, he couldn't get it by Tompkins, and then Tompkins gets it off late. And period 1 comes to an end with a 1-0 Saskatoon lead. Heading into period 2, 1-0 Saskatoon. Now in order to win this game, Kansas City's going to have to score like 2 or 3 goals. And Saskatoon's really just got to keep up the way they're playing in order to win it. So 1-0 Saskatoon Blizzard here. Underway in period 2. St. Louis, the shot saved by Matt Tompkins. Man, he has been heroic today. Agazino hit the pipe. Now it's a giveaway there. That nearly went in. This is going to be back in. Makita shooting save. Rebound Kovalchuk. Save again. Now Agazino has the only goal tonight. Thompson save again. Now it's back for Tompkins, who gave it to Megan. He fires and went wide of the cage. Now St. Louis shooting save. Now this is Megan again, giving it over to Thompson. He shoots, save again for Martin Brodeur. St. Louis got it over. Kovalchuk shoots, save Agazino. Now this is Agazino, save. Rebound scores! Andrew Agazino with his second goal of the game has made it 2-0 Saskatoon. And Kansas City having a rough night. Here's the face-off. Now Brodeur is going to get it up. Pass across. Kovalchuk's got it. Shoots. Save Tompkins. Now the shot there is not going to go. Now here's the shot for St. Louis. Can't get it by Agazino. Oh, it's blocked off by St. Louis. The shot for Makita not going in. Agazino save. St. Louis got it. He's had it stopped. Agazino. Oh, it's a giveaway to Makita. Shooting. Can't get it. Agazino scores. 3-0 Saskatoon. And it's a hat trick. 3-0. Kansas City cannot get anything going. Here's the draw. Kovalchuk has it. Firing wide. And now this is Thompson again. Save there for Brodeur, and it flew out. Kansas City now needs 3. They're having a rough day here against Saskatoon. They won game 1. They lost game 2. And now they're having a rough game 3. Saskatoon has had all the goals scored by Andrew Agazino. The shot for St. Louis, and he scores! Kansas City's on the board. 3-1. They're on the board. Makita got it over to Kovalchuk. No, it's back to Makita shooting. Save again. Thompson back. Save. Now Kovalchuk wide. Rebound for St. Louis. Not going to go. Now Brodeur gonna play it off to Kovalchuk. Firing save. This is back in Thompson. Save there. And then he flattens the puck. Gave it over to St. Louis. Shooting wide. It was actually tipped by Tompkins. Now Thompson's got it. Shoot, save again on Tompkins. Oh, he gave it away to Makita by accident. Now Agazino going and firing it, bounced out with 5.8 seconds left. Here's the draw, the shot not going to go. Here's another try that didn't go in. And Tompkins couldn't get rid of it. And a 3-1 lead here for Saskatoon as we head into the third. Kansas City needs to score 2 here. And Saskatoon just has to score like 2 or 3 more to seal the game. And hopefully Kansas City can come back because they've had a rough night. Kovalchuk scores! Ilya Kovalchuk! 4 seconds into the third period. Puts Kansas City in good position. Only down by 1. Here's the face-off again. That didn't go. Now this is the pass across. St. Louis shoots, save. Rebound, save again for Matt Tompkins. Now Agazino's got it. No, that was Thompson, sorry. This is Agazino, who was also stopped by Brodeur. St. Louis, no, he gave it to Makita. No, he gave it back. St. Louis, no. And Kovalchuk flies offside when there could have been a big play development. He's going to take the draw anyway. And a shot right off the draw by Thompson isn't going to go. Gives it to Makita. He scores! Tie game! 3-3. All the way from 3-0. Makita has tied the game. Now the face-off goes to Saskatoon. Here's the pass across. Agazino shoots and went wide. St. Louis got it to Kovalchuk. Scores! Ilya Kovalchuk! 4-3. We're not halfway through the third period. And Kansas City comes back from 3-0 down. They're up 4-3 now. Minute 12 left. Kovalchuk firing, can't get it. Rebound, Makita, save again. Here's a shot that went wide of the cage. The pass across. Thompson, save again. Regulation time. Sam Makita couldn't get it. Agazino gave it to Thompson, who gives it up to Megan. Back to Thompson. Firing one save. Brodeur rebound. 2 saves in a row. 45 seconds. Hit the pipe there. Thompson got it to Agazino. Has all 3 goals for Saskatoon. Can't get it. Giveaway shot. Can't get it. And Agazino's going to wait. Shooting. Can't get it. Rebound. They score. Tie game. 4-4. Up and over Brodeur. 31 seconds. What a game. Here's the face-off. Kovalchuk scores! Ilya Kovalchuk. Hat-trick. 28 seconds. 5-4. Here's that shot. Saved by Brodeur. Whoa, it's a giveaway to Andrew Agazino. Agazino firing, easy save. 15 seconds. Save again. 10 seconds left. Shot by Makita. Can't get it. Gave it to Thompson. Has to shoot. Can't get it. That's it. What a comeback. The Kansas City Thunder are your 2018 LEGO Hockey League champions. The 85% fans here for Kansas City rocking. What a comeback. Brodeur couldn't win an LHL championship. In fact, none of these players won one, I don't think. I think Makita did, but no one else. They win an LHL championship after going down 3-0. A hard 3-0 down. They were down 3-0. And Saskatoon's got a bad taste in their mouths. Kansas City are your LHL champions. To give the Kansas City Thunder the LHL trophy, who was forgotten to announce at the beginning of the game, but will announce at the end of the game. Please welcome New Orleans Storm Surge head coach Elijah Nelson. Ladies and gentlemen, and hockey fans all across the country, and hockey fans of all ages, the Kansas City Thunder are your LHL champions. Now, congrats to both teams for making it this far. Now, Saskatoon, you guys get one more opportunity to come out on the ice. Kansas City, you guys will be known for at least a few months until the next season begins as the greatest LHL team ever. Now here you go, guys. The LHL Cup. Stan Mikita, you have the opportunity to hoist the cup first. But first, the winner of the LHL playoff MVP. Please welcome goaltender Martin Brodeur. Thank you so much. Martin Brodeur has won the LHL playoff MVP. Now, Mikita, you have the opportunity to hoist the cup. Yeah, yes, yes, yeah. He's going to give it to St. Louis. Martin St. Louis has won the LHL Cup along with the Kansas City Thunder. He's giving it to the playoff MVP, Martin Brodeur. Kovalchuk, it's time for Kovalchuk to hoist the cup. And now it's time for the team photo. Elijah Nelson in the picture as well. There you go. Kansas City leaves the ice again. The puck will be put here. And now it's time for the team picture. Here we go. Let's do the team picture. Here we go. Let's do it. Okay, picture's done. So there you have it. The LHL Championship Series Game 3 as the Kansas City Thunder are probably going to head to Disney World. Hey, can we have Martin Brodeur come out on the ice? Here comes Brodeur again. Martin, you guys had such a great series, a great season. You guys made it a long way to get here. What are you going to do? I'm going to Disney World. I expected that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, LHL. What a comeback. Kansas City has pulled it. Thank you all for watching the LHL Season 3. This season is officially complete. 40 games in the books, and we will see you in Season 4.